Hi all! Everything in my video is pulled from the public domain and I am using them under the Fair Use Fair Dealings guidelines. Everything I say is my own opinion. You should look into this information for yourselves, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Hey everybody! Wow, Piers Morgan was able to go on TV finally and have his say without being yelled at by anybody. He was interviewed by Tucker Carlson. I thought it was interesting. Let's take a look at it. Here we go. You guys know that I really like Piers Morgan and I like the way he stood up for himself. So anyway, he gave his first interview since he quit Good Morning Britain with Tucker Carlson. And Piers had a lot to say because there was extensive backlash to his comments following the broadcast. But this is what he had to say tonight.
I still don't believe what they were saying. And in particular, I don't believe what Meghan Markle said. 17 different claims by the pair of them have now been proven to be either completely untrue or massively exaggerated or unprovable. I didn't believe Meghan Markle. A huge furore erupted through the day. I was an outrage. I wasn't allowed to have an opinion that I didn't believe what she was saying, even though it was clear to me in real time as I was watching the interview that there were a number of things which just couldn't be true.
And he says a month later on, he still doesn't believe her. Piers said that this was, quote, the most extraordinary, disingenuous smear hit job on the royal family, on the Queen, on the monarchy, and frankly, on his country, Britain. Then he went on to say this.
Whatever your view of the monarchy, or the Queen for that matter, she's the longest serving ruler of any kind in the world right now. And she has huge, huge respect from many people in Britain and indeed around the world. She's also head of the Commonwealth, which has many countries which are predominantly with black citizens. So you look at this and you're accusing the Queen and the monarchy and the institution of being racist. That's really what was going down here.
But Piers still wasn't done. He was going to have his say. He pointed out that Prince Harry is attached to some of the biggest mental health charities in Britain, and he makes no secret of his desire that everyone who feels depressed or anxious should get immediate help. And then he said this.
It's not for me to say whether she felt suicidal. That's only for her to know, and I couldn't possibly say. What I was taking issue with was that she claimed she went to two members of the royal household, a senior aide, and also to human resources. And she told both of them that she was feeling suicidal and needed help. And both of them rejected that and said she couldn't get help because it would be bad for the brand of the royal family. I just find that impossible to believe, that you would have two people in the palace who would be that callous to a woman telling them that she was suicidal.
Tucker Carlson also pointed out that what happened to Piers Morgan was an example of cancel culture and that Morgan has taken stands that have really cost him. And this is what Tucker Carlson had to say about what Piers Morgan did.
Like Winston Marshall, Piers Morgan is out of a job tonight. But unlike Winston Marshall, Morgan told the truth. He refused to let the mob make him lie. And that is an inspiration to all of us. Piers Morgan just reminded the world that some things are more important than having a job, like your dignity and your self-respect. History will treat him well. Good for you, Piers Morgan.
Also during the interview, Piers Morgan stated that he no longer considers his former CNN colleague Don Lemon a friend after that guy accused him of being a racist because he questioned Markle's credibility. In a March episode of CNN Tonight, this guy stated that Piers Morgan committed an act of racism when he made his comments against Meghan Markle. And Piers pointed out, rightly so, that he's been accused of committing racism because he disbelieves somebody. Guys, I have to tell you, this is why I love Piers Morgan. He just says it like it is. It is not racist if you don't want to believe somebody's bullcrap story. And seeing as how Piers just pointed out that at least 17 claims have either been disproven or shown to be massively exaggerated or are unprovable, I tend to side with Piers Morgan. It's Finn update time. Watch this. I think he's getting spoiled. So I took the dog for the walk, and then I tried to get him to take a nap in his crate, and he wouldn't. And I looked down, and he's laying half in the sun, sleeping,
living his best life. Look at that face.
So what do you guys think about what Piers Morgan said on the Tucker Carlson show? Don't forget to leave your comments below. Don't forget you can email me. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Don't forget about that coffee fund. And as always, have a great day.